Hey everyone, want to keep your photos safe with top-notch privacy? Today I'm walking you through how to back up your photos on Proton Drive, the end-to-end encrypted cloud storage app. It's super secure and easy to set up on your phone. Let's get started. Proton Drive's photo backup feature lets you automatically sync photos and videos from your Android or iOS device to a private cloud protected by encryption so only you can access them. It is perfect for safeguarding memories from devices lost or theft. To begin, you will need a Proton Drive account. Grab the free plan with 5 GB or paid plan for more storage. Download the Proton Drive app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android. Then log in with your Proton account. Step 1. Enable photo backup. Open the Proton Drive app and tap the Photos tab at the bottom. You will see a Turn on Backup button. Tap it. The app will ask for permission to access your photos. On iPhone, it will back up your entire photo library. On Android. It targets your camera folder with support for other folders coming soon. Grant the permissions and you are set. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi as backup only works over Wi-Fi to save data. Though Android users can enable mobile data backup in settings. Also keep your device charged as large libraries can take hours or even days to sync initially. Step 2. Let the backup run. Once you enable it, Proton Drive scans and uploads your photos, encrypting them on your device before they hit the cloud. You will see a progress bar showing how many items are left. Keep the app open or running in the background. Closing it completely pauses the backup. If you hit your storage limit, the app stops uploading. So check your 5 GB free space or upgrade for more, like 200 GB for $4 per month on Android. Backups are faster during the day, so plug in your phone and let it run. A backup complete message pops up when it's done. Step 3. Manage your photos. Head to the Photos tab to see your backup images and videos in a grid view, organized by month. Tap a thumbnail to preview most formats like JPEG, PNG, and MP for work. Though live photos and GIFs show as static previews for now. You can swipe through marks photos as available offline for no internet access or share them with secure password protected links. To share, tap the photo, hit the menu and select Get Link. Add a password or expiration date for extra control. Pro tip: avoid common issues. If you see errors, check your storage. Full storage halts backups, so delete files or upgrade. Ensure photo permissions are enabled in your device setting and stay on Wi-Fi. If the backup pauses, toggle it off and on in settings. Photos backup or log out and back in as a last resort. Android users enable unrestricted battery usage in devices setting for faster uploads, but watch your battery. You can also back up from multiple devices to the same account and Proton skips duplicates automatically. One thing to note, the Photos tab is separate from your main files and you can't move backups to other folders yet, which some users find limiting. Also, there is no auto sync for new photos useless. The app is running. Unlike Google Photos, but the privacy is unmatched. Your photos and metadata like location are encrypted before upload, keeping them safe from breaches. Access your photos anytime via the app or web at drive.proton.me even if your phone's gone. That's it. To back up your photos on Proton Drive, download the app, enable photo backup in the Photos tab, and let it sync or Wi-Fi. Your memories stay secure with end-to-end encryption and you can access them anywhere. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Like, subscribe for more tech tips, and I will catch you in the next one. Keep your photos private, folks.